On today's first look, we have a spectacular collection of first-generation Camaros. American theme, red, white, and blue, coming to you from the Bryan Frank Collection. We'll start with the white one, 1967. This is one of 602 produced Z28's in 1967. This is car number 12 in Jerry McNeish's registry. Jerry McNeish is our Camaro expert and the absolute authority on these cars. It has its matching numbers, 302, mated to an M21 4-speed, and 373 rear end. It's finished in white, black stripes, beautiful blue interior, has the console, premium air cleaner, bumper guards, rally sport, rally wheels, really a well-optioned, beautiful, and rare Z28. The 68 has also been certified by Jerry McNeish. This has had a complete nut and bolt, full restoration done to it. Power comes from the original 302, which still has the original Holley carburetor on top of it. This is a M21 car, close ratio, with the 373 positive traction rear end, finished in Matador red with white stripes, with a black interior, has tinted glass, deluxe steering wheel, AM radio, custom deluxe seats, rally wheels, well-optioned car, well documented. The list goes on and on. When you really look at the quality of this, a couple of great cars here. Let's take a look at the 69. And last but not least, the beautiful 1969. These were one of my favorite years for Z28s. You know, with its quintessential hood here, this is done in beautiful dust blue, white stripes. Again, a Jerry McNeish certified car with the original sheet metal and the original drivetrain, the 302 with an M21 4-speed, 373 positive traction rear end. This Camaro retains its original black interior, has the deluxe instrumentation, the console, beautiful car, highly optioned. Additionally, this 69 Z28 Camaro has been pre-qualified by Jerry McNeish to go the Legends Concours certification class at the Camaro Nationals. So, beautiful trio, red, white, and blue, very Americana. Really some of the greatest Camaros, and they are coming to you at the Las Vegas Auction the 17th through the 19th at no reserve. Register to bid. This is your opportunity to pick up Jerry McNeish certified Camaros. Buy one, buy two, buy all three at no reserve.